Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be reviewing and trying out new for me. I'm not sure how new the company is. It's called INH Hair, insert name here. So they have a ton of they've got clip extensions, they have a lot of different ponytail extensions, and they also have some human hair clip-ins. They reached out to me and they originally wanted me to review a ponytail, but I never wear my hair up in a ponytail. So I was like, I would rather do something that I'm actually gonna use and that's gonna me trying on a ponytail that just doesn't seem realistic because I just don't wear them. Anywho, so they ended up sending me the 22-inch U-clip, the U-clip extension. So I am going to be showing you guys what it looks like, and I'm going to show you guys how I put it in my hair and what it looks like. Now, I will say, they sent me the 22-inch, and I mean, it is long, and my hair is pretty short. So it's not the best fit, and the color match is not great. Hopefully in the natural light, it might look a little bit better, but when I put it in my bathroom, like the color, my hair is more ash, and this is actually a champagne blonde. This size does not come in like an ashy blonde color, so they did send me the champagne blonde. It's very beautiful, like don't get me wrong, but it's not a perfect match for my hair, and the length is a little, I don't know. I was thinking about cutting this because my hair, I don't think my hair, the longest my hair has ever been is like down to here, and that's when I was pregnant. So I'm thinking of cutting it a little bit so that I could actually use it and it'll be a little more realistic in my hair. So this video is not sponsored. They did not give me money. They just sent me this product to try out, and I will link their website down in the description box if you guys want to check it out. They also gave me a discount code for 15% off their whole entire site. So I will have that in the description box as well. If you guys want to check it out, you might as well use that to get a discount. Now, they do have some human hair options on their site. This particular one that they sent me is not human hair, it is synthetic. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's really cute. It's like a cute little bag, and then it has their name here on the back. And then it's got the hair here, and then it comes with a little scrunchie too. And then up here, it's got like just kind of like little directions, I believe. Yeah. And then it also comes with this. I'm not exactly sure what this part is for. I don't know. It's just like a little sample piece. There's no clips or anything on it. If you guys have ever gotten this before, what is this for? It says our one-piece U-clip is the easiest way to add volume and length in seconds. It's made of lightweight synthetic fibers and designed to clip around your natural parting for the most undetectable look. Also have on their website, they have like a color matching quiz that you can take, so you make sure you're getting the right color to match your hair. And then, so when you open it up, it comes in. Here's the cute little scrunchie. I love scrunchies. I don't have one on right now, but I love them. It's kind of like a satiny feel. It's really cute, little. So okay, the hair is in like a little net. And then when you take it out, this is long. Oh my goodness, you guys. It's so pretty though. So this is what the hair looks like. This is the champagne blonde that I was telling you guys, and I can't even get it all in the frame. There we go. So this is the 22-inch one, and then this is what the back looks like. It literally looks like a U with clips. So it's very nice quality. The hair is really soft. So they say to kind of brush it out. It is heavy too. Like, I'm not gonna lie, when I put it in, it's heavy. But I definitely want to try to trim it maybe a little bit, and just because this length is just not realistic for me. You guys want to look at it up close a little bit. The color is absolutely beautiful. And there we go. So I will say with this particular hair, I wasn't sure if you could put heat on it, and I believe you can, just not past like 300 degrees or something.
Hey guys, while I was editing, I decided to go on their website and I wanted to make sure I had all of the information correct for you guys. So you can use heat on it up to 320 degrees. And if you want to curl it, you have to curl it with the iron and then hold the curl in the palm of your hands until it's like cools a bit and sets, and that is how it can actually curl. So I haven't tried it yet, but I'm very anxious to try that out. I also attached some info on how to like care for the hair and how to detangle it and everything. I just wanted to make sure I was giving you guys the correct information.
I haven't washed it yet, so I'm not sure like what happens when it dries, if it just kind of goes back to this, which it's beautiful. But my hair already has like a bit of a wave, so I had to straighten the heck out of it today just to get it like this, so that hopefully this will like blend a little bit easier. We are going to get into the application part, and I'll just show you guys kind of how I apply it. And now remember, the color is not perfect for my hair, and my hair is short, so it's not gonna blend completely, but we're gonna make it work. Okay, so the first thing they say to do is kind of just take your hair up here and almost make like a U section. So I want to have enough up there where it's going to cover it, because I do have layers going on here, and it's definitely shorter up here. You can use this handy dandy little scrunch and hold your hair up. Okay, this is going to be hard to do. Camera. Okay. So then they do say to kind of brush it out. It's so pretty, you guys. Like, it really does feel like good quality. Okay. So then you put this bad boy behind you. And you want to make sure to kind of bring it up along the side as far as you can, so that you'll have the pieces like in front, like that. And then you're gonna wanna go underneath and clip the other clips. So that's the tricky part, is getting under there and getting these other clips down. This is so much hair, like I'm not used to this much hair. Okay, so then when I take it down, they do say to kind of do a center part to make sure that it kind of covers everything. It is really pretty. So I would say this is more ideal for people that have longer hair, that just want to kind of add a little bit of body to it. Want to add like just a little bit of length, but for me, I think this is a little bit too long, but I'm going to turn around and show you guys what it looks like in the back too. Don't get me wrong, like I wish that it blended a little bit better with my hair, but it's just these little pieces on the inside. And I have heard that you can kind of like take these pieces and braid them and kind of put them up in the back, but then I'm afraid that there's just not enough hair and that it just does not look natural at all, like it looks fake, but I think it's so pretty. They also have a 16-inch U-clip, which is, that one's 74. So I was definitely, when this company reached out to me, I was definitely interested in the U-clip because it's so convenient. It's one clip. I'm used to the clip-ins where there's like 7 pieces, and that takes a little bit longer. But so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Let me know down in the comments if you've ever tried anything from this brand and what you have tried and if you like it. So I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you all soon. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back, and I actually trimmed it up a little bit, and I think that this length looks so much better on me, and I feel like it blends a lot better. I tried to even cut some layers over here, and I feel like it just blends so much easier. Like you can see these pieces, but I feel like they're not as noticeable, and yeah, I just feel like this length is so much better on me. So I love this. I'm probably gonna be wearing it like a lot just during the day because it's so quick and easy to put in. I'm very happy with this product, and even happier now that I trimmed it. So I hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.